Let us consider this is a problem of voltage divider bias. In this figure, we have to find VCE, current IB and IC. This is the voltage divider bias diagram. Now, because we are doing the biasing for the DC voltages, so these coupling capacitors and bypass capacitors are useless for the biasing. So I remove the coupling capacitance and bypass capacitance. Now we have to apply these 22 volt on these two resistors separately. This is the diagram. Now we have to rotate this 39 kilo ohm resistor in the downward position. The equivalent diagram is this. Now we have to convert 22 volt into a 22 volt voltage supply or a 22 volt battery like this. We have converted 22 node voltage into a 22 volt battery. This is the modified diagram. Now we have to apply a Thevenin theorem for this circuit. This is the circuit. We have to find Thevenin voltage and Thevenin resistance. The equivalent diagram of this network is shown as below. Here VTH is R2 VCC upon R1 plus R2, that is 2 volt, and RTH is R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2, that is 3.5 kilo ohm. Now the equivalent diagram is like this. Here R1 R2 are replaced by RTH and VTH. This is the final diagram. Now we have to define the voltage VBE. The VBE as shown in the figure. Like this, we have to mark plus and minus for VBE. Then we have to define the base current. Base current is in the direction of this arrow. Now we have to draw the direction of emitter current that will also follow this arrow. Now we have to go for step 1. In step 1, we have to apply the KVL in base emitter loop, that is known as input loop. This is our first step. We are going for step 1. We have to apply KVL in input loop, that is base emitter loop. Now plus 2 volt minus 3.5 IB minus VBE minus 1.5 IE. Now we have to put the value of VBE and IE. As we know, from input loop we always find IB. In this equation there are two currents, IB and IE. So we have to replace IE in the terms of IB. IE is equal to 1 plus beta IB. After putting these values, the equation becomes like this. Now, we can find the value of IB. IB is 0.00838 milliampere. Always remember, we have to calculate the IB up to 6 decimal place. Now, step 2. In step 2, we calculate the value of IC. The relation between IC and IB is IC is equal to beta IB. After putting the value of beta and IB, we get the value of IC, that is 0.83 milliampere. Now we have to apply KVL in output loop, that is step 3. The output loop is from collector to emitter. Now we have to apply KVL in output loop, that is from collector to emitter. That equation is plus 22 volt minus 10 IC minus VCE minus 1.5 IE. This is the equation. In output loop, we neglect the value of IB as compared to IE and IC. If we neglect the value of IB, then IE becomes equal to IC. Now put this value in this equation. The equation becomes 22 minus 10 IC minus VCE minus 1.5 IC. Now put the value of IC from step 2. After putting the value of IC, we get the value of VCE is equal to 22.34 volt. These are the answers.